check out this specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed original miles, just a little over 16,500 on this one. As you can see, torch red or Colorado red. You'll hear it called, does have the charcoal and red combination interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. See, good condition. 5.4 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. We'll check out that engine bay, let you hear it run here at the end of the video. But first, you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct SVT alloy wheels with the Brembo brakes. As you see down the passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Here's that two-tone leather interior. Center console with that 6-speed manual transmission. Does have an aftermarket stereo that has been installed. And like I said, we'll check out that interior a little closer when we fire it up. Let you hear it run. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See by the exhaust tip, Ford Racing. So you can check out the exhaust on the underside pictures of this car, again at UniqueClassicCars.com. You're going to hear it when it starts up. Has a nice sound to it, deep, throaty exhaust note, little bark to it. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side from the, driver's side from the rear to the front. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. On this side also. Let's take a look at this interior. You turn that key on so we don't have to listen to the door chime. All right. Door panels. There it went. All right. See, it has an aftermarket set of floor mats in it. There's also a set of just the regular charcoal colored ones in the trunk. Power seat, driver's side, of course. And take a look at the wear. Very little wear on the seats. What you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Now there's your exact miles, 16,509. You can see there's no warning indicators, check engine lights. This is just because I don't have the seatbelt on. The aftermarket stereo. Of course, the 6-speed. Then take a look at the rest of the dash. Nice shape. Appears this car has been stored indoors, no doubt about that. You'll be able to check out over 100 pictures of this car online. There'll be a bunch of them, the interior, the rear seats, front seats. Take a listen to that. Get a nice deep throaty exhaust note. Slip up to the front. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. Doesn't appear this has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Actual functioning P8 tractor hood. And here it is, the 500 horse, 5.4 liter, hand-built, dual overhead cam, V8, paired up with that 6-speed, 500 horsepower. Look at how nice and clean and tidy that is. Good looking engine bay. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. 2007 Shelby GT500, good looking Mustang. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.